In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm a delivery on DHgate. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online marketplaces, this guide will help you track your orders and ensure everything runs smoothly. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to DHgate's website. This is your go-to hub for finding the latest and greatest deals, and it's also where you'll manage your orders. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. It's important to access your personal profile to check on your orders and confirm deliveries. Next, navigate to your profile section. You'll usually find this icon in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a little avatar or your account name. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Orders. This area is your personal command center for all purchases you've made through DHgate. Once you've clicked on My Orders, you'll be brought to a page that displays all your recent purchases. It's laid out in a user-friendly way, with each order listed clearly along with relevant details like the item, price, and vendor. Now take a moment to find the specific order you want to confirm. You'll also see the delivery status for each order indicated right there. This feature is fantastic because it helps you keep track of what's been delivered and what's still on its way. When you locate the order that's been delivered, you'll notice an option to confirm delivery. Simply click on this button. Confirming your delivery not only helps keep your order history up to date, but also lets DHgate and the seller know that you received your item successfully. This can be particularly useful if you ever need to provide feedback or address any issues later. And that's it, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully confirmed your delivery on DHgate. It's a simple process, but checking and confirming orders consistently can really smooth out your online shopping experience. Plus, it ensures that both you and the sellers are on the same page, which is always a good thing. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to confirming deliveries on DHgate. By maintaining an organized approach to your orders, you can shop with confidence, knowing exactly when your items have arrived. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.